Hello student, in previous video we have completed up to question number 2nd from exercise 6.3. In today's video I am going to explain remaining question of this exercise 6.3. Here I take question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is given, find the value of x, y and z in the following figure. Here I take a example. Figure is given like that. Here some angles are given and variable x, y and z. We have to find out the value of x, y and z by using proper properties there. Okay. Now to find out the value of x. Now x is the interior angle of the triangle ABC. Remaining two interior angle of the triangle given. So by using angle sum property we can easily find out the value of x. Right? Therefore, in triangle ABC, in this triangle, okay, x plus 50 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree. Which property here we use? Angle sum property of the triangle. Now, x as it is here, 50 plus 40 that is 90. We transfer on the right hand side of the equal sign, become minus 90. Therefore, we get the equation x is equal to 180 minus 90. Therefore, x is equal to 180 minus 90, we get 90 degree. Okay, this is the value of x. Now think about the y. Now see, this is the y. Okay, this is the interior angle of this triangle. But there only one angle 28 it is given, and then z is there. We don't know value of the z. But here we can see angle y formed a linear pair with this interior angle x. Okay. Therefore, angle y is the exterior angle of this triangle. Remaining these two angles are given to, we can easily write y is equal to what? 40 plus 50. That is by exterior angle property. Y is the exterior angle of the triangle. Therefore, measure of this angle is equal to sum of remote interior angle. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to 40 plus 50. This is y is equal to what? 90 degree. We get the value of y is equal to what? 90 here. Now, to find out the value of z, now we can use the angle sum property in this triangle. Because already y here we find out, that is 90 degree. Now in triangle ABC, this triangle A, B and D, not Z. Okay. Now in this triangle, sum of these three angles, that is Z plus 28 plus Y, is equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of the triangle. Z as it is, that we have to find, plus 28 plus Y is equal to what? 90. Here we put is equal to 180. Z is equal to 180. Sum of this is equal to 118. 90 plus 28 we transfer, become minus 118. Then Z is equal to what? 62. 180 minus 118, this is equal to 62. In this way here we find out value of x, y and z by using different property according to the given figure. Okay student? Now see the next question, question number 4. Question number 4, in the given figure, this is the figure given, angle ABC is given 87 degree, angle ACE is equal to 75 degree, and AB and CE, these two lines are given parallel, AB and CE. Okay. Then here we have to find the measure of angle ACD. ACD, this angle here we have to find. Okay. Now to find out the measure of this angle ACD, first here we take the two lines parallel, that is AB is parallel to CE, clear, and ray BD is a transversal. These two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. So we know that these two angles are equal. These are the corresponding angles. Okay. Ray BD is the transversal. These two lines are parallel. Therefore, angle ECD, this angle is equal to this angle, that is 87 degree. Corresponding angle, and we know that corresponding angle formed by the parallel lines are equal or the congruent. Therefore we get the angle ECD is equal to what? 87 degree. Now to find out the measure of angle ACD, this is the sum of these two angles. This is already given and this angle here we find. Okay, sum of these two angles we get the angle ACD. Therefore angle ACD is equal to angle ACE plus angle ECD. These two adjacent angles. Okay, then angle ACD is equal to, ACE is equal to what? 75. ECD is equal to what? 87. Therefore angle ACD is equal to, sum of these two numbers is equal to what? 162 degree. And this is the required answer of this question. Okay, I hope you understand this question also. Now see the next question, question number 5. This is the last question of this exercise. Here I take B example. Okay, find the measure of angle, mark question in each of the following. There is the question mark, that angle here we have to find out. Now in this figure, angles are given in terms of the variable. Using that only you have to find out this unknown angle. Which angle? That is the angle CAD, which is represented by question mark. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, these are the interior angle. Therefore sum of these three angles, that is 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Here we write the property, angle sum property of the triangle. 2x plus 3x plus 4x, their addition is what? 9x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore x is equal to 180, we transfer, it will come in division. Then x is equal to what? 20 degree. Understood? Then angle CAD is equal to angle CAD. Now this is the exterior angle of this triangle and form the linear pair with the angle A. Therefore this angle is equal to what? Sum of these two angles, that is 3x plus 4x. Here we write exterior angle property. We know what is exterior angle property. According to that, here we write angle CAD is equal to 3x plus 4x. Therefore angle CAD is equal to 7x. Therefore angle CAD is equal to 7 into 20. Value of x here we find out, that is 20. In this way we get the measure of angle CAD is equal to 140 degree. And this is the answer for this question. Okay. Now student, note down your homework from question number 3. This question. Okay. B example is homework for you. Like question number 8, you have to find out the value of the variables. Okay. And question number 5. From this question, example A and example C. Okay. These are the homework for you. This is all for today, student. Thank you for listening me. Thank you very much.